Yeah.
So last question before we wrap up
Yeah.
is what impact do you want to have in the next 5 years?
So the impact that we want to have in the next 5 years. So right now, in the next 3 years, one of the goals is to help at least 10,000 business owners to obtain at least $1 billion in lending. I want to be able to empower business owners to understand that credit is not taboo. Credit is being taboo in our culture, and people don't want to talk about it, especially in the Spanish culture. And people think that having credit, it is wrong. It is going to hurt your credit overall. No, it is going to help you, especially if you're a business owner. This is capital. It's one of those things that is going to allow you to grow and become more financial free. So I want to make sure we empower minimum of 10,000 business owners to obtain at least $1 billion in lending.
That is awesome, man. That's awesome.